Hello everyone, it's Lem and it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but here I am now, and in this video I am going to draw something for the Pride Month. So this application that I use is Procreate on my iPad, and this is how I start my drawings. At first, I create an outline like this to get better accuracy on anatomy, and then I will start my line art. I won't be able to show you my process on this one because I literally just did this on my bed when I woke up. So yeah, moving on. This character is supposed to be me, but it turned out better than I wanted to, and he looked really good, and I'm so far from looking like this, so me. Maybe I'll make a separate video on how I make my line arts someday soon, but for now we are going to focus on coloring. First, I fill in with opaque colors of my choice. I prefer color combinations that are somehow warm and retro because it is what I think fits my style in general. So this concept that I made is how I imagine I would attend pride marches and parades if we didn't have the show that is going on today. Because please don't judge me, but I have never actually attended a pride parade in the past years. That's why I've been planning on going on this year, but y'all know what happened. Though on the bright side of things, I came up with it trying to celebrate pride in a way that I can somehow, so that is definitely a takeaway, I guess. This little cutie right here is my cat. His name is Snow and he is my forever partner. I just think that it is a good idea to add him in this illustration because I love him so much. And yes, he lost his right eye from a fight with other cats, but I still think he's the prettiest. After filling in, we're going to move on to applying some highlights and shadows. First thing that you would want to do is to alpha lock each layer of colors so every shadow and highlight that you will add to the drawing will pass the line art. After adding some blush, I would switch to the medium hard brush and pick the darkest color in the illustration. I will then make light strokes on the parts where I think shadows should be. Then I would do the same thing with the highlights, but now I am going to use the lightest color in the illustration that I made. After the highlights, the drawing is finally done. Once again guys, happy Pride Month. I just want you guys to know that you deserve love and please be proud of who you are. That's all for today guys, and see you next time.